Woo! How to make 50 million naira per year with Airbnb in Nigeria. Investors make more than this yearly. That is why the real estate market in Nigeria cannot crash. In short, this figure is estimated for just an apartment. Have you ever wondered why Phyno got 20 apartments? There could be many reasons why he bought it though. Firstly, you have to check yourself and how much you can budget for your shortlet business. Secondly, consider areas and locations like from Lekki Phase 1 down to Lakowe, Ikeja and some parts of Surulere. Thirdly, the asset must be secured and serene. People consider shortlet to hotels more because they have control to kitchen and have access to private swimming pools and lots of amazing features. They must be comfortable than how they are in hotels. Fourthly, you have to plan for the management parts from cleaning, finances, maintenance, and a backup power supply. Reasons why estates are best considered to site an Airbnb in Lagos, Nigeria. You can bring your dreams to reality by calling Miracle Josiah now, the brilliant real estate consultant, to help get the very best deal in the market. Not just that, help you structure your shortlet dream for you. Call me now and book a consultation call right now or click on my bio for more information.